Hold on. Before I put this joint back in the garage, man, look at this. Show me this door handle broke too. This how we gotta get in here. Hey. Show me, then we gonna get this. Then we gonna crack that. All that wide open. At least we had the sunroof though. We had the sunroof in here.
Boy, if you don't get...
All this pressure.
All of this pressure, applying that pressure. Big amount you cannot measure. Make a couple songs and I did that for pleasure.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Lay and I'm back again with another banger, man. Now I know it's been a super minute since I posted a video and I am sorry about that, but the bangers is about to be coming, man. Y'all already know how I rock. First and foremost, I want to say that I missed y'all so much, and if y'all not subscribed to my main channel, please go subscribe to it at The Lay Family. Me and my girlfriend got a YouTube together. We taking off on that. Now, this video is gonna be a little different. I know that my YouTube family does not know about my personal life, but to all my friends and family that are subscribed to me, you will know. And once I show you, you're gonna see that I got a brand new car. Let's get it, man. This car is so lit. But before I show you the new car, I'm gonna show you the old car because I want y'all to see my upgrade. Let's get it. Now, before I show y'all this car, please do not be roasting me in the comments, man. Please don't be cutting me up. We was playing straight mob ball for a little bit. You're just gonna see the car for yourself. Hey.
Oh my God!
Look at this, man. Messing the door handle. Flat. Got a flat tire. Another broken door handle right here, man. Broken door handles. This is what I was pushing around, man. This was me. If anybody that knew me seen this car, they knew it was me. And I ain't had no shame in my game, best believe it. I was playing mud ball for a little bit. Ooh, this car is tough. Check out the inside. Jeez! The inside, man. Dirty. Hand sanitizer. Look at this. People was violating the back seats back there. If you my mans and you watching this. Now, just so everyone knows, this video is for humbling purposes only. Like, I am not doing this video to brag. I am not doing this video to stunt on anybody. I'm not doing this video for no other reason than just to inform my family, my YouTube family, what's going on with me and the changes that's been happening with me over quarantine. I haven't really been up to too much. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to my main channel, please go subscribe to it at The Lay Family. Me and my girlfriend drop nothing but bangers on there. And I know I haven't been on here ever since I got my hair cut off. Like, it's been a minute, y'all. But is y'all ready to see the new V? Is y'all ready to see the new V? Let's get it, man. Hold on. Before I put this joint back in the garage, man, look at this. Show me, this door handle broke too. This how we gotta get in here. Hey. Show me, then we gonna get this. Then we gonna crack that. All that wide open. At least we had the sunroof though. We had the sunroof in here.
Boy, if you don't get...
And we gotta do all that just to get in this V. I can't wait to show y'all this upgrade. Let's get it.
Water on my wrist. Fiji water on my wrist. Sprinkle water on my wrist. Fiji 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 water on my wrist. Yellow diamonds, that's piss. I ran up my check on the lick. Rob Simmons on his rig.
Play family, I would like to welcome our newest member to the family, man. Thank
my wrist. Yellow diamonds, that's piss. I ran on my check on the lick. Rob Simmons on his rig. She fell in love with my drip. Water on my wrist. I for your hoe pay a rent. On the 9 Ninja Vinci. She can't get nothing, I'm stingy. Did the Margiela and Fendi. I did the Goyard and the Fendi.
If you like this car right now, man, comment a W if this car is fire. Comment a L if I took an L on this cop right here, man. Y'all let me know which car y'all think was better. My last car versus my new baby.
I'm smoking dope, getting high. Drugs that keep getting me by. That hoe be wasting my time. Can't waste the clip in this 9. She said the weed ain't enough, so I gave a bitch a line. If her ass fat enough, I might get a bitch some time. Fiji water on my wrist. Fiji water on my wrist. Fiji water on my wrist. Fiji water on my wrist.
For those of you that were curious, this is not your average Chrysler 200. This is the Chrysler 200 Sport Edition, man. Y'all see 200S, all-wheel drive. This baby's fully locked and loaded. Let me pop the hood for y'all. V6 engine, looking brand new. You know? Let me know what y'all think, man. Is this an L or is this a W? Let me show y'all the engine real quick. Hop on in. Hey family, that was the end of today's video, man. Make sure that you give a huge thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and turn post notifications on. Sorry for such a short video. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on how I've been rocking. But let me just get used to this new engine real quick, baby. I'll see you at the next video. Let's get it.
Night cabin, late night cabin, cruising home. All 2 cups, can't take no flick, I look droopy, homie. Just pulled up in some shit, hoes chosen on me.